Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Simplified. Simplified is really an amazing website with which you can do literally anything. Let me show you how to use it and how to get started. You can see that I'm on the home interface of Simplified. So first of all, you need to go to the simplified.com and you will be directed to this interface. Now you can see there are many options here. You can just click on the get started for free. Okay. Then you will be needed to sign in with your Google account, Facebook, or any others. You can see that I have already signed in. After that, you will have two options like how are you planning to use Simplified. You can use it with your team or you can use it for yourself. So I'm gonna select for myself. So click on the take me to the Simplified. Here it is. You can see there are many options like design, video, AI writing, social media, AI quick tools. So you can just use any of it. As I'm a video editor and a content creator, so I'm gonna use the video. You can also use the AI writings or any other things if you want. So I will be showing all the things like AI writings or other design in other videos because I'm going to make many videos on Simplified. You better subscribe to my channel. So let me proceed to the next step. So you can see there are many templates here. You can use any of the template for uploading to your Instagram, Facebook, or any other things. You can also use it for promoting your products like that. You can see that this template is for promoting the products like that. There are so many templates. Let me use one of it and I'm going to demonstrate you how to edit it or how to just export it like that. So let me use this interface. Okay, click on the use template. Here it is, the editing interface has been loaded. Now from here you can easily edit anything. You can see at the left portion there are many buttons like my assets, templates, text, media, visuals, and so many other effects. You can also add subtitle from this option. You can create an AI images from this. You can create a visuals, and from media option you can search for any photos, videos, GIFs or audios that are literally free here. Now here is a button template. From here you can easily see which template you have recently used, or you can also get any other templates if you want to change the current template like this. You can see there are many of them. Now if you go to the my asset, you will be find all your asset. If you want to just customize your video content, like we literally need to customize all the template, right? So from here if you click on the drop here, it will be directed to your computer, and from here easily you can export any of the videos if you want. And after that you can just adjust it. You have to just click on the particular things. You can see that I have clicked on the text and the text has been selected, and if I double click it I can easily just write anything if I want. Then if I click on the video again, there is a button for many things, like there is a button for editing here, and you can see a editing timeline at the bottom part. From here you can also edit the things like that. If you're an editor you can easily edit anything here. Not even an editor, a general or a ordinary person can also edit it from here because these are just pre-made. You have to just change it to your form. And from this section, when you upload any of the assets, you have to drag the assets from here and you have to just place it here. And there are so many options I will be discussing particularly in other videos, so you have to subscribe to my channel for that. This is just a basic video. After that, when you are finished designing all your contents or customizing all the videos, you have to just click on the export. You can see export button here, click on it. Now you can just select the download now if you want to download it, or you can just directly publish to your social media or your community. So that's how easily you can do it. This is the basic of simplified.com in the video section, or this is the same actually for any other section. If I just go back and if I click on the AI writing and clicking the start writing, there are many options like start from scratch, use a writing template, full blog writer. This is premium, so let me use the free one. And from here easily you can just choose any of them like blog ideas plus titles, blog outlines. Let's see how it looks. You have to just type any topic, like I have written how to use Simplified. Just click generate. You can easily get access to them. Then from the text option you can easily add text to the selected template. you can see all the titles are generated, and from here easily you can also edit the titles. This is actually the basic system how you do it. As I have mentioned you, I'm gonna do it in detail in other videos in each section. Like that, you can also go to the design section, you can go to the social media or AI quick tools. So this is the basic of how to use Simplified. So that's all for today's video. If you think this video helped you, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to have other videos on Simplified as well as other solution of many problems. So stay fine, see you in the next one.